Hi friends, I am Gracie. I wear a red collar. Lily is my sister. She wears a blue collar. Hi friends, I love to be kind. Everyone needs some love. Gracie loves adventure. We love to play together. Today we are going bird watching. How many kinds of birds do you think we can find?
The blue jay is sharing. Thank you. What kind of bird are you?
Yeah, what are you?
I am a downy woodpecker.
A downy woodpecker. Cool. Wow, nice to meet you. Look at all of the sparrows. They sing such a sweet song. Look, another bird. What kind is it?
I'm a red-bellied woodpecker.
Look, Lily, a cardinal. Isn't it beautiful? Look, Gracie, it's a bluebird. What a fun day. Gracie, look, a hummingbird. Wow, Lily, it's so fast. They can even fly backwards. Wow, look at that. They're amazing. So cool. Look, it is a red-bellied nuthatch. Chop, chop, chop. Wow, it's so cute. Chop. Let's follow it. Yay, chase. Look, a titmouse. A titmouse, let's play. Chirp, follow me. Yay, this is fun. Whee, more titmouse. It is a chickadee. It is a chickadee. Chirp, chirp. Look, doves, listen to them coo. It is a goldfinch. It is a robin, the bong-made Darwin's taubin. I'm not an indigo bunting. Oh, what are you then? I'm a colorful bunting. Wow, you're so pretty. Thanks for spending some time with us. Be sure to come back for more adventures.